What's the project today?
We're checking to see if we can send Clay to anger management course.
Oh,
These projects
you love me.
have anything to do with love.
One eternity later.
What did I tell you when we started this project?
Oh, easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Are RV projects ever easy peasy?
Nope.
Do they ever not require a trip to the hardware store?
Nope.
Do they usually require multiple trips to the hardware store?
And a session of marriage counseling.
I just wanted to make life easier.
And in the long run it will be, but right now it's making life easier. We're replacing these things with, evidently these things that can lift an aircraft carrier.
I bought some new bed shocks because these little guys don't like to hold up our big mattress. We replaced our RV mattress with a big mattress, and those little original shocks don't hold it up. It hurts our backs when we have to like hold it up with the one shoulder while you reach underneath. Has anyone else ever done that? Of course, they never use the same hardware, so we've already made a trip to the hardware store.
So what I'm doing is I've measured these were on there like that, and I've made sure that that lines up with that hole, which means that this bottom hole we can reuse. So now I've got to drill out, you want to create a pilot hole in this because this wood is so soft it'll split if you put these big lag bolts in it. You don't want to over tighten these because you'll definitely split that wood. So we've got that done. Here's my concern, y'all. In order to get these fit, I've got to drill a hole through this bed frame. Once I drill that hole, there is no going back. So what we're going to do is going to drill a hole in it. Alright, so what we're going to do, that right there is roughly the size of that bolt, and worst case I have to go up a bit, but I'm going to drill a hole in the side of this thing because I love my wife. I'm gonna need a washer. I need a washer for this.
Okay. I got them. They're right here.
You good with that?
I mean, sure. Like you said, no turning back now.
I hope this fits.
Me too.
Right, so I'm going to lower this down. I may need you to hold it while I get that nut on it.
Oh no.
God bless it. Where did you get these shocks?
There it goes.
The whole key to this is to get right with Jesus first. And yoga doesn't hurt. I ain't never seen Chad from Changing Lanes do nothing like this.
I'm sure he has.
Let's see them limber YouTube videos. We could hide under this in a hurricane. Now, if you would be so kind as to hand me that other strut and a nut from that bag. You're the keeper of the nuts.
Haha. At least I didn't have it in my purse. Okay.
Golly.
That is going to make those. Be careful of those.
Yeah, no
'cause
shit.
they're real. There it goes.
Go push on that side. We're gonna be laying in the bed and the foot's gonna throw us through this.
So. Woo! Yes.
Oh, see if they go down.
No. Oh,
Yay!
awesome! We did it. I love you. You're so mean.